Hello students, welcome to biology class. In previous class already we discussed structure of the cell and inside the cytoplasm contains various types of the organelles. We discussed some of the organelles. Okay. Now I am going to discuss structure of the chloroplast. All the green plants contains the chloroplast. Okay. If you observe the structure of the chloroplast means chloroplast is a three membrane structure. Three membrane structures. Okay, outer membrane, inner membrane, and also thylakoid membrane. On the thylakoid membrane, stacked sac-like structures are there. Stacked sac-like structures are there. This is called the granum, and inside the fluid filled portion is known as the stroma. Okay, these are the parts present in the chloroplast. Okay, what is the functioning of the what we are discussing? What are the organelles present in the cell and their functioning? Okay, this is the structure. Okay, what is the functioning of the chloroplast means chloroplast? Its functioning is photosynthesis. Functioning is photosynthesis. Okay, in the process of the photosynthesis, okay, food materials are prepared in the chloroplast. Chloroplast contains green pigments. Okay, all the plant leaves are green in color. Why? Because presence of one of the pigment that is called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll pigment. Okay, chlorophyll pigment is there. In this chlorophyll pigment, one atom also there, that is called the magnesium. Magnesium atom also there. So, yes, this chlorophyll trap the sunlight and prepare the food materials. Light energy is converted into the chemical energy. Then onwards, it is produced the food materials. Okay, that food materials are stored in various parts of the plants. That is the functioning. Okay, totally in the structure of the chloroplast, if you see means in photosynthesis there are two phases are there. Okay, one is light phase or light dependent reaction and light dependent reaction, and second one is light independent reaction. Light independent reaction. Okay, this light dependent reaction takes place on the granum. Okay, on the granum contains the chlorophyll pigments are there. Chlorophyll pigments 250 to 400 chlorophyll pigments grouped as light harvesting complex. Okay, they trap the sunlight and converted into the chemical energy. Okay, that is light dependent reaction takes place. Okay, next after light independent reaction or biosynthetic phase, in this phase food materials are prepared from carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is reduction to carbohydrates, that is takes place in the stroma. Light dependent reaction takes place in granum and light independent reaction takes place in the stroma. That is the functioning. Okay, this chlorophylls are within the cell. Okay, yes, 40 to 100 chloroplasts are there within the cell. Okay, it's yes, the diameter of the chloroplast is next 4 to 6 micrometers. 4 to 6 micrometers diameter. Next 1 to 3 micrometers thickness. That is the measurements of the chloroplast. Okay, next oval shape. Okay, these are the oval shape and biconvex shape. Okay, in some plants like aquatic plants like algae, okay, ladder shape, Okay, next spiral shape. Like this, different shapes are having. That is the functioning of the chloroplast. Okay, next. Another organelle is in the cell is, we know very well, okay, that is the mitochondria. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is the cell organelle. It is very important organelle. Okay. Yes. This is a double membrane structure. Mitochondria is a double membrane structure. This is the outer membrane. Outer membrane. Next, this is the inner membrane. Inner membrane. Next, inner membrane shows some of the some folds protrude into the some folds. Otherwise, okay, these folds are called as the cristae. Folds are called as the cristae. Okay, next, and also between the inner membrane space is there. Okay, this space is filled with the liquid portion, that is called the matrix. That is called the matrix. Okay, next, inside the matrix, the sides of the inner membrane, some of the particles are there. Okay, small particles are there. Okay, these particles are attached to inner membrane towards the matrix. Okay, these are called elementary particles. Elementary particles. Okay, elementary particles also present in the matrix. Okay, this is outer compartment. Outer compartment. This is the inner compartment. Inner compartment. Yes, this is the structure of the mitochondria. Okay, in 9th class, okay, this to study the structure of the mitochondria, one activity was given. Okay, next, okay, for that activity we have to take onion peel and okay, collect, and we have to keep in one of the yes, one bowl. Okay, in this bowl contains already Janus green bee. Janus green bee. Janus green bee solution. Okay, Janus green bee solution. How can prepare and Janus green solution? Yes, we have to take 200 mg dissolved in 100 ml. Okay, then we can prepare the Janus green bee solution. Okay, we have to take in okay, small bowl and this and also keep the onion peel in this solution. Okay, then you have to keep it half an hour. Next, take this onion peel and keep it on the slide, and like that slide preparation, if you are prepared, means that is appear like oval shape. Oval shape. Oval shape or cylindrical shape. Cylindrical shape structures we can see. Okay, that is the shape of this mitochondria is oval shape or cylindrical shape. Okay, next, and also what is the measurements of this mitochondria means, okay, its length is 2.8 micrometers. Micrometers. Next, 0.5 micrometers. Okay, width or wide. Okay, that is the measurement of the generally yes, measurement of the mitochondria. Next, these measurements approximately okay 150 times okay, smaller than the nucleus, 150 times smaller than the nucleus, because within the cell the largest organelle is the nucleus, like we discussed before, that only controlling all the functions, cell, all the functions of the cell is controlled by the nucleus. Okay, its size is, okay na, like that. Okay, here also approximately, okay, 100 to 150, 100 to 150, okay, mitochondria are present in within the cell. Okay, that is the structure of the mitochondria. Okay, na? Next, yes, what is the here one part we discussed, elementary particles. Elementary particles are present on the cristae. Okay, inner side of the inner membrane of the, okay, inner membrane towards the matrix. Okay, these elementary particles are synthesis of the ATP from ADP, ADP to ATP formed only by the elementary particles. That means ATP is formed. Okay, ATP is adenosine triphosphate. Okay, energy is there, energy currency. It is also called energy currency. Okay, na? That's why, okay, mitochondria is called as powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria is called as the powerhouse of the cell. Powerhouse of the cell. Okay, mitochondria is called as the powerhouse of the cell. Yes. Okay, in the mitochondria, cellular respiration takes place within the mitochondria only. Okay, energy is stored. That's why this is the powerhouse of the cell. Okay, this is the structure of the mitochondria and its functioning. Okay, next, another organelle in the cell is Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. Okay, next, another organelle is the Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. Okay, Golgi body or Golgi apparatus, this is the organelle. This is also membranous structures. Okay, this one is first one is observed by the Camillo Golgi. Camillo Golgi, he was in 1898. He was discovered by using optical microscope. Okay, this Golgi body or Golgi apparatus also membranous structure, membranous structures. It is also called membranous structure. These membranes are creates sac-like structures. I will draw rough diagram. Just see. Okay, this is the like simple rough diagram. Okay, like this. Okay, this is the Golgi apparatus. Okay, membranous structures present in the cell. Okay, it creates the sac-like structure, which around which fluid portions are there. Fluid portions are there. They are called vesicles. They are called vesicles. Okay, these vesicles are takes the some of the proteins and other substances are produced by the ribosomes are reach the vesicles. Okay, these vesicles are what is the reach the vesicles. Next, and what is the Golgi apparatus functioning means? Okay, its functioning is to package the substances before sending to the other places of the cell. Okay, package the substances before sending to the other part of the cell. So here the substances like proteins, other lipids and other substances are secreted by the ribosomes, reach the vesicles and next sent to the different parts of the cell through the Golgi apparatus. Through the Golgi apparatus. For example, okay, these are yes, sent to the okay, the sent to the near the membranes. Okay, near the membranes. Otherwise, these substances like proteins or wasted materials or enzymes or hormones are they are produced and they are sent to the another place. Okay, these are sent to yes, near the membrane. Otherwise, one organelle to the another organelle is that is transported by the these Golgi apparatus. Okay, these Golgi apparatus are their number is vary in different cells to cells. The number of the Golgi bodies are different. For example, okay, in some of the cells they are producing hormones and enzymes. In those cells contains more Golgi apparatus, especially where the hormones and enzymes are releasing from there. Okay, na? More Golgi apparatus are formed. That is the functioning of the Golgi apparatus. Okay, next another one is the lysosome. Another one is the lysosomes. Lysosomes. Okay, lysosomes are the okay called as suicidal bags. Lysosomes are called as suicidal bags. Okay, lysosomes are called as suicidal bags. Okay, for example, okay, within the cell some of the destructive enzymes are there. Within the cell some of the destructive enzymes are there. Destructive enzymes are present within the cells. Okay, lysosomes are tiny particles present in the cytoplasms. Okay, they contains the destructive enzymes. These destructive enzymes, they are not contact with the rest of the cell, only present in the particular specialized organelle, that is the lysosomes. Okay, whenever within the cell any harmful substance, only it has to destroy, means that type of the wastes are okay, the substances which are need to destroy, they have to send to the lysosomes. Okay, then lysosomes yes, burst and releasing some enzymes, that is called the destructive enzymes. Okay, then it will destroy the okay cells. That's why it is called suicidal bags of the cells. Suicidal sacs or bags of the cells. Okay, this is about the lysosomes. Okay, lysosomes are okay discovered by the okay Christian Didoué. Okay, next another one is the yes. Okay, next. Okay, we are discussing all the organelles. Okay, next. Okay, so far we discussed so many parts of the cells. Okay, now I am asking where do cells come from? Where do cells come from? Okay, we are discussing various functions of the parts of the cell. Okay, two scientists 1838 1839. Okay, two scientists are okay, they observed. One of the scientists is Sladen. Okay, next another scientist is the Schwann. Sladen and Schwann. Okay, Sladen 1838, he was a botanist. botanist and he is a zoologist. Okay, both these numbers are observed the so many cells. Botanist, he is cleared and observed the plant cells, and Swan, Theodore Swan observed the animal cells, and finally they come to the conclusion. Yes, they proposed the one of the theory that is called the cell theory. They proposed the cell theory. They proposed the cell theory. Okay, next they proposed cell theory, but how the cells are divided, how the new cells are forming, they didn't explain. Okay, in the 1885, Rudolf von Virchow, okay, in 1885, he said that cells are divided and new cells are producing, only from pre-existing cells during the cell division, like he said. Okay, na? Rudolf von Virchow, he said that new cells are forming from only pre-existing cells during the cell division, like he told. Okay, totally okay, and also he modified the hypothesis of Sclater and Swan cell theory, modified. Okay, okay, according to him, okay, we can understand the cell theory, okay, like some of the cardinal principles, like new cells are formed from okay, yes, from products of the new cells. New cells are forming from the products of the new cells, and also new cells are producing from pre-existing cells, like that too he said. Okay, this is the cell theory. Okay, totally okay. In this lesson we discussed, once again I will tell you, plant cell, animal cell differences we have to read. Next, and also the cells contains some of the parts. Every parts has specific functions. Okay, next, one by one organelles like nucleus structure and its functioning, and mitochondria structure and its functioning. Okay, next, Golgi bodies, next, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, ribosomes. Okay, like this parts organelles we discussed. Okay, so you have to read all these questions. Okay, thank you.